The benefits of Industry 4.0 and ERP for manufacturing. Industry 4.0 brings these 4 benefits to manufacturing. 1. Uninterrupted connection. 2. Information transparency. 3. Technical assistance. 4. Decentralized decision-making. Innovation brings disruption and challenges, and Industry 4.0 is no exception. The integration of older existing systems with new systems creates process and security vulnerabilities. Rising gaps in people skills for technological know-how, as well as people skills like communication and critical thinking, are widened when new technology is introduced, requiring a greater training burden on the organization to upskill, or even reskill valuable employees. Convincing decision-makers and staff to embrace new technologies means these concerns will need to be addressed and the benefits of Industry 4.0 demonstrated. Manufacturers who wish to harness the power of Industry 4.0 to propel them towards becoming smart, efficient, and competitive, need a way to deliver the shortest possible product run, improve the speed of delivery, trace the product through every step in the chain, manage that chain, and forecast all of these things with greater accuracy than before. The Internet of Things, IoT, sees every device connected to the Internet, smart, intuitive, and spewing forth spans of data at an unimaginable rate. ERP is the ideal system to interpret the wealth of information provided by all these IoT devices, and produce results, particularly in manufacturing. While IoT data collection is far from a cutting-edge innovation, it is the combination of that data with ERP's muscular capabilities to actively improve manufacturing processes that will set manufacturers apart. The beauty of ERP in manufacturing is that it brings out the benefits of IR 4.0, and handles the burdens with ease.